For that arrogance, I shall see you dead.
All right, you primitive screwheads, listen up. See this? Is my Boomstick! It's a 12-gauge double-barreled Remington. S-Mart's top of the line. You can find this in the sporting goods department. That's right, this sweet baby was made in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Retails for about $109.95. It's got a walnut stock, cobalt blue steel, and a hair trigger. You got that? Now I swear, the next one of you primates even touches me. Now, let's talk about how I get back home.